Chit Chat English.
How long will the repair take?
Usually about an hour, depending on the problem.
And what is the cost?
The visit is €50. Parts are extra if needed.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, I have a headache and I feel dizzy.
How long have you felt like this?
Since this morning, about 5 hours.
Have you eaten today?
Yes, I had breakfast.
Are you taking any other medicine at the moment?
No, nothing.
Okay. I recommend this painkiller. Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Can I take it on an empty stomach?
It's better to take it with food or a full glass of water.
And if I don't feel better tomorrow?
Then you should see a doctor. It might be something else.
All right. How much is this?
For euros 50. Take care. Hello, I need help. My boiler stopped working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Since when?
Since last night. There's no hot water.
Is there any error light on the boiler?
Yes, there's a red light flashing.
Okay, that usually means a pressure problem.
Hi. Did you just move in?
Yes, just yesterday. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Nina. I live next door.
Oh, great. Good to meet you too.
Welcome to the building. Where did you move from?
I came from the other side of the city.
Is this your first time living in this area?
Yes, I'm still learning where everything is.
I can show you some good shops nearby.
That would be so helpful. Thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything.
I really appreciate that. Thanks, Nina.
Tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. I've worked in marketing for 3 years. I love helping companies grow.
What are your biggest strengths?
I'm very organized and I work well under pressure.
Can you give me an example?
Yes. Last year, I managed a big campaign with a tight deadline. We finished on time.
Great. Why are you leaving your current job?
I'm looking for more responsibility and a new challenge.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'd like to lead my own team and grow with the company.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. What does a typical day look like in this role?
Mostly team meetings, client calls, and project planning.
That sounds great. I'd really love this opportunity.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for two people under the name Rossi.
Perfect. Right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is very popular tonight.
That sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Would you like a side salad or vegetables?
Vegetables, please. And can I have water with no ice?
Of course. Anything else to start?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
Great. Your food will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Hello. I'm calling about the flat for rent.
Yes. It's still available. Are you interested?
Very much. How many rooms does it have?
2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a kitchen.
Is it furnished?
Yes, it comes with a bed, sofa, and washing machine.
How much is the rent per month?
It's €600 a month.
Does that include bills?
No, bills are extra. Water and electricity are not included.
I see. Can I come and see it this weekend?
Sure. Saturday afternoon works well.
Perfect. I'll be there at 2 o'clock.
Excuse me. Do you know which bus goes to the station?
Yes, the number 12 goes there.
Oh, great. How long does it take?
About 20 minutes, maybe less.
And where is the bus stop?
Just around the corner, on the right.
How often does it come?
Every 10 minutes, usually.
Do I need to buy a ticket before getting on?
You can pay on the bus. They accept card too.
That's easy. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a safe journey. Excuse me. Do you have a moment?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I didn't quite understand today's lesson.
Which part was confusing?
The part about past perfect tense. I get confused with past simple.
That's very common. Let me explain it again.
Thank you. I really want to understand it properly.
Past perfect is used when one action happened before another in the past.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. She had eaten before he arrived. She ate first, then he arrived.
Ah, I see. That makes sense now.
Great. Try writing 3 sentences for homework.
I will. Thank you for your patience.
Hey, you look tired. Is everything okay?
Not really. I've been feeling overwhelmed lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
Work is too much. I'm working late every day and I can't switch off.
That sounds exhausting. Have you spoken to your manager?
Not yet. I'm worried they'll think I can't handle it.
I understand, but your health is more important than any job.
I know. I just feel guilty saying no to things.
Setting boundaries is not a weakness. It's necessary.
You're right. Maybe I need to have that conversation.
I think so. And I'm here if you need to talk anytime.
Thank you. Just talking about it already helps.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Park.
One moment, please. Yes, I see it. One double room for 2 nights.
That's correct. Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free throughout the hotel.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11. We can extend to 12 if you need.
That's helpful. Is there parking available?
Yes, underground parking is €10 per night.
Okay. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Here is your key card. Room 214, second floor. Hello. Come in. What would you like today?
Hi. Just a trim, please.
How much would you like to cut off?
Just 2 or 3 centimeters.
Would you like me to style it after?
Yes, please, but keep it natural.
Of course. Would you like it washed first?
Yes, that would be great.
Please come to the sink.
Is the water temperature okay?
Yes, it's comfortable, thank you.
Is this length okay for you?
Yes, perfect. It looks great. How much is it?
That's €15, please.
Good afternoon. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay. Is it within the weight limit?
It's 23 kilos, which is fine.
Great. Can I get a window seat?
Let me check. Yes, seat 14A is available.
Perfect. Thank you.
Boarding starts at gate 7 at 3:15.
What time is it now?
2:45. You have 30 minutes.
Okay, I'll head there now. Thank you. Hey, Jack, have you started the project yet?
Not yet. I was waiting to talk to you first.
Good idea. Let's divide the work.
Sure. What are the main parts?
We need an introduction, research, and a conclusion.
I can do the research if you write the introduction.
Perfect. Who writes the conclusion?
We can do it together at the end.
Great. When is your part ready?
I can finish by Thursday. Is that okay?
Yes. That gives us time to review everything.
Should we meet on Friday to put it all together?
Friday at the library works for me. See you then.